In case you wonder what the new Tim Hortons credit card is all about, then you need to know that it's a credit card owned by a multinational coffee house. Because Tim Hortons is a coffee house and restaurant chain based in Canada with headquarters in Toronto, and it serves coffee, donuts, sandwich, and other fast food items. Now, card holders of this credit card can earn 5 points per dollar on groceries, gas, EV charging, taxi, rideshare, transit purchases, and 15 points per dollar when they use the card on eligible purchases at a Tim Hortons restaurant and scan for Tim Reward. Hello friend, my name is Maverick and I welcome you to this channel. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time. And any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. So now let's head straight and discuss more about the new Tim Hortons card right here. Now there are some things that you need to know about this credit card. The first one is that points can only be used at the Tim's store. So in case you purchase this credit card or you go ahead and sign up for this credit card, you need to know that every points that you accumulate can only be redeemed and used at the Tim's store. So you cannot use it anywhere else or to purchase anything from another store. You can only use it to purchase from Tim's store. Another thing you need to know is that the reward is mostly favorable for high coffee spenders. So those who spend less, they get less reward. If you're a high coffee spender, maybe probably you spend as high as $40 or more just on purchasing coffee with this brand, you will stand more chances of getting more rewards with this credit card. Another point that you should know is that it is not a credit card you can use in multiple places. It is mostly limited to Tim's store. Just like I said earlier, you cannot use this credit card in several other places. You can only use it in the Tim's store presently as of the time of creating this video. Now another point that you should know is that the Tim's financial credit card is a reward credit card with no annual fee. That is why it has users, because normally I don't really see a reason for someone to go ahead and have a credit card with Tim's store, but the fact that it has no annual fee is what entices some users, especially those who frequently purchase coffee and order maybe donuts from the Tim's the Tim's store. So I didn't mean it has an annual fee, then possibly less card holders, but with this it helps people to decide to go ahead and try out the Tim's financial credit card. Another thing you need to know is that you can get up to 20 free coffees just for signing up with them. So this is another valuable point, which as of when I'm recording this video, you still stand more chances of getting 20 free coffees, okay, just from signing up with the Tim store on for their credit card. All right, so those are the things that I believe that you should know. Now, talking about my opinion regarding this credit card, the Tim Hortons credit card, but the first thing I see is that there is no reason for someone who is not an avid Tim customer to sign up for this, because if you don't frequently purchase coffee from Tim, you see a lot of people always say Tim's coffee are so whack and they are bad. So If you are the kind of person who is like that, I see no reason for you to sign up for this card. But if you are an avid Tim customer, that you frequently purchase coffee from the Tim store, then let me just say it's a good idea. Okay, not really the best or the better. I would just say it's a good idea. Okay, just from your own discretion, it's good and you can go for it. Another thing that I see is that if you're a regular customer that likes coffee, donuts, and other menus, then it might be a good way to get points to redeem. Okay, so you can use this to redeem points, and if you are someone who frequently purchase from the Tim store, you can use this to redeem points. Okay, but remember that these points can only be used at the Tim's store. All right, and the third reason that I see, which is my opinion, is that it is also a way for Tim to get customers data and boost their income level, because the moment you input your social security number or your TIN, then that way you get your data, and it helps them to know more about their customers and possibly reach you in adverts and several other aspects. Okay, so this is just for them to be able to pull much data about their customers. Another opinion is that I will not recommend this for someone who needs valuable points and reward that you can use anywhere. So even if you are an avid Tim store customer, you go there a lot of time to purchase coffee, if you are not someone who values cards that you cannot use the points or reward at another store or for any other types of purchase, then you will not want to consider these, because just like I told you, all the points, the rewards, everything can only be redeemed using purchasing from the Tim store. If you are someone who needs valuable points to use and rewards to use at another place, then you might not want to consider this. So you better just consider other cards that offers wholesale clubs benefits. Okay, which you can check the link in the video description. I'm gonna be linking to a video, or possibly maybe on the screen, but I'm gonna link to it to the video description, where you can check another video that I have regarding wholesale club. I discussed about the best card that you can sign up for for wholesale club benefits. Okay, and also there are a lot of negative feedbacks about their coffee and donut. So I've seen a lot of negative feedbacks regarding them, especially their coffee, with customers claiming that they taste so bad. However, I think you cannot satisfy everyone, but there are just a lot of people complaining. But however, this doesn't mean that they aren't customers who still enjoy their service and consider buying their card. All right, it is just that the more a lot of people don't see any reason for them to get a credit card with a coffee store, that doesn't suit them well. Okay, so the already a lot of people complaining and like, no, they don't see any reason, then it will be more difficult for a current card holder, maybe like you, who wanna decide to give them a trial to enjoy any future benefits, because the numbers are not there to motivate the brand. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So the minute if you go for these, then possibly you should know that you won't really enjoy much benefits, because people are not really signing up that much for it. So compared to other types of cards, so the reason for giving much benefit will not be that encouraging from the brand. That is why up till now they still limit their benefits and points to purchasing stuff at their store. So that is it about this credit card, and possibly if you have any experience with the new Tim Hortons credit card, you can let us know in the comment box. It will help several other people to make the best decision, okay, when it comes to this credit card. But these are the things that I see and I felt can be a little bit of drawback for a lot of people and someone like me. Okay, so I would suggest you consider it thoroughly before you go ahead to embark on either trying out this credit card or not. So that is it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment box. It will help a lot of people to make the best decision. I really appreciate your contribution as we grow this community together. Thank you very much. If this video has been helpful, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials just like this. And also you will see a thumbs up button. Kind of make sure that you hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who might possibly be seeking for ideas regarding this credit card, and videos like this can help them to make a better decision. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck in your credit card journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.